So it was really nice to have Orec out today and see all their different pieces of equipment, and with each one you could really tell that it was well made and really a professional product. So we don't do a lot of garden tilling, but it's really nice to have one that works well when we do, because the stuff that we typically work on is pretty hard packed trails or something that needed to be reseeded that got compacted down. So we were able to till up this compacted trail where we do a lot of our timber creation and milling here, and sees a lot of trucks and heavy equipment, and the Gardenquake went right through it. We have a lot of different types of machines around, and we do a lot of maintenance, and it's nice to see equipment that we think is going to last for a while.